Want to build a website, email funnel, and sell products? Create funnels, send emails, make sales. In this video, I'll show you how Systeme.io does it for free. No credit card, no tech skills needed. Tested. Systeme.io Funnel Builder Demo. Start by choosing a template. From landing pages to product sales funnels, the options are endless. Step 1. Choose a template. Then, drag and drop your content. No coding needed, it's that simple. Step 2. Drag and drop editing. Now, let's add your emails. Systeme sends them automatically when someone signs up. Step 3. Add emails, automation included. Sell ebooks, courses, or coaching offers. Everything is built in for your success. Sell anything, digital products, courses, coaching. Ready to take the leap? Try Systeme.io free using the link in the description. Launch your first funnel today. Rocket try Systeme.io free right pointing arrow link below. Make your online business dreams a reality, starting now.